Hello and welcome. Today, I have a 2-tier barrel and pump waterfall fountain with bronze finish bought from Amazon. I just easily turned it into a 3-tier pond fountain bog filter by adding coarse and a fine foam mat with lava rocks at the base of both bottom barrels to allow water to pass through a natural biological filtration system. It uses beneficial bacteria from filter media with lava rocks and plant life to remove toxins, nutrients, and other impurities from the pond water. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to know where to get one for yourself. If you like this video, please support it by subscribe and like so you don't miss out on other videos like this.